Hi guys, today we're just gonna make some egg custard. It's actually a very simple recipe, sorry. I always get those words mixed up. Basically right now I'm putting in 2 cups of heavy cream and I'm heating it up on the stove. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add some eggs. So we don't want the egg white and we just want the egg yolk. So an easy way to just get the egg yolk is to let the egg white fall through your fingers and then you can separate the egg yolk with the egg white. This is a very easy way. And what we're gonna need is we're gonna need about 5 egg yolks. Right now I'm using pasture raised eggs, or at least it's cage free. That's always the second best, I think. Now that we got egg yolks, we're gonna put in some monk fruit and erythritol sugar blend. I just basically just got this from Walmart. I put in about half a cup and that's more than enough. Now we're gonna put in the heavy cream that's already heated up, but we're gonna put it in kind of slowly. You're gonna see I'm going just gonna pour in a little bit of heavy cream and I'm gonna mix it and then I'm gonna pour in a little bit more. Obviously I travel in time again and I'm gonna put in some vanilla extract right now, about 1 teaspoon. Okay, so the way we're gonna heat this up is not through the microwave, but what I did was I put in some water in a pan that's about halfway up, and then I'm going to pour in the what are we making right here? The egg custard in separate Dominican dishes. Yeah, I need a break. Now I'm putting this dish into an oven that is set to 350 degrees and I'm going to heat it for about 60 minutes and this is the result right here. You can see it's kind of brown and if you want to brown it more you can put it in a mini oven and then what you'll see is this. I don't actually have a torch and this is totally optional so it kind of looks like a cream beret. In fact, this receipt or recipe is actually a cream beret recipe or receipt or whatever, but I actually just don't have a torch. So this pretty much tastes delicious. I know it looks kind of ugly right now, but trust me, it's the most simplest receipt for that holiday time egg custard. Thank you very much.